you?
He looks like something's wrong with him.
He's doesn't. He's just got a big head. Willie's happy. You do have a cute face. It's goofy. It's goofy, but it's cute. No licking.
Stop it.
Look at you. Good boy, Tucker.
Not quite as quick as Tarkus.
No. Probably his balls hurt. Really? What are they doing? Good dogs. You like that sofa's his safe zone.
You sure went over and had a full sip with Tarkus.
Mm-hmm. Good boy.
Tarkus respects height.
What you got, Willie? No licking. No licking, little one.
Good dog, Willie.
Who likes tummy rubs?
Oh, he came over. That was the very first thing he did for me.
Who likes tummy rubs? Who likes tummy rubs? Look at that shaved belly.
Willie. You gotta shave your head. Gotta give you a...
Really? Really, Bear?
We ought to give you a dog hawk. Give you a mohawk right up the center. He doesn't know what to do when he catches him.
Well, he wants him to get down off the couch so they can play. Tucker, I don't think he likes that much. Maybe so. His tail's up, he's okay.
What?
That's your name.
If he had a big mane.
That's your name. You're a sleepy boy, aren't you? What do you want to do, Willie? Want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Willie. Who's a Willie bear? Sleeping. There's Willie. There's Tarka. Not that you can tell where one begins and the other one ends.
I mean, he just redid his own song. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then who had the other one that Elvis copied? Elvis didn't copy this one.
Here's the other little one. Here you are. I think your name is Leo.